A spark ignites behind his eyes, a fire climbs and starts to rise. Ambition calling loud and clear, a pull that he can feel so near. His heartbeat racing in his chest, a force that will not let him rest. The whole world urging him to climb, to meet the moment, claim his time. Blood rising like a burning light, pushing him to reach new heights. Energy moving through his veins, calling him to break all chains. Hold him steady through the heat, so passion does not skip its beat. The rush can lift him past his fear, or cloud the truth he needs to hear. He stands between the calm and flame, learning how to guide its aim. Strength becomes a trusted friend when tempered well and used to mend. He breathes and finds a grounded pace, so drive and wisdom share the space. Blood rising like a burning light, pushing him to reach new heights. Energy moving through his veins, calling him to break all chains. Holding steady through the heat, so passion does not skip its beat. Oh, 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 he learns to shape the rising fire into a steady source of power.